that is a commitment I've always shared with Karen, and that is because I believe, you in life you need a realization eh. Yung realization ko kasi nung nagpunta ako rin sa Ilocos, sa Palalupang Bansa. Pag nakita mo yung 7, 8, 9 years old na naglalaro ng sport, you cannot just take that away from that little boy or little girl. Meaning, that's why I asked Karen, ilan ba ang naglalaro ng sipak takraw sa buong Pilipinas? 10,000. How can you take that away from these young kids who love the sport? So, nararapat lang na suportahan natin itong sport na ito. Tsaka kaya natin gumaling dito. And I am sure you all agree with me, this is a beautiful sport. Ang hirap nga nitong sport na ito. Saan ka naman nakakita ng sport na yung ulo nasa sahig. Di ba?